Hey there, welcome to our video where we dive into a common problem that programmers may face. The problem we're looking at today involves understanding why a certain piece of code leads to a segmentation fault. It's an issue that can be quite puzzling at first, but fear not, we're here to break it down step by step. Now let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key lies in how the compiler interprets the return value of a Lambda function. In the provided code snippet, we see a Lambda that returns a static const vector of integers. The crucial point here is that the compiler infers the return value as the vector by value, rather than as a reference. This distinction is what ultimately leads to the dangling reference and the resulting segmentation fault. To address this issue, you can explicitly specify the return type for the Lambda. By defining the return type as const vector of integers reference, you ensure that the Lambda returns a reference to the static const vector, eliminating the problem of the dangling reference. This simple adjustment resolves the issue and prevents the segmentation fault from occurring. Moving on to the next part of the solution, another approach to achieving the desired outcome is to use auto AND. By employing this syntax in the Lambda function, the compiler deduces the proper return type and utilizes a reference, thus avoiding the dangling reference scenario. This alternative method offers a concise and effective way to handle the issue and ensure the correct behavior of the code. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, focusing on the final code snippet that utilizes the auto and syntax. This concise and efficient implementation allows the compiler to deduce the appropriate return type, ensuring that a reference is used. By incorporating this approach, you maintain the integrity of the returned value and prevent any potential dangling reference issues, safeguarding against segmentation faults. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of how the compiler handles return types in Lambda functions is crucial for avoiding pitfalls like dangling references and segmentation faults. By following the recommended methods outlined in this video, you can effectively resolve such issues and optimize the performance of your code. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!